In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post to Pinterest with Make.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to want to start by logging into your Make.com account. Once you're logged in, look for the plus button on your dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Click that plus button, and a search bar will pop up. Type in Pinterest. When it appears, go ahead and select the option that says Create a Pin. Next up, we need to set up the connection between Make.com and your Pinterest account. You'll see an Add option after selecting the Pinterest module. Click on this, and Make.com will prompt you to authorize the connection. This step is essential. It allows Make.com to access your Pinterest account, which is what you need to post your content. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and it should all go smoothly. Once you've authorized the connection, it's time to input the details of the pin you want to create. Here, you have a couple of options for adding your image. It's generally recommended to use an image URL, but you can also use base64 data if you prefer. If you're using an image URL, simply paste the link where it asks for the image. Make sure the link is direct and leads to the image itself for the best results. Now, here's where you get to be creative. You'll see a drop-down menu that lists your Pinterest boards. Select the specific board where you want your pin to go. While you're at it, don't forget to fill in the title and description. These fields are crucial because they help attract people to your pin. You want to be descriptive and engaging. Lastly, don't skip adding a destination link. This is where viewers will land when they click on your pin. It could be a blog post, website, or any other link you find relevant. With all that done, let's test the automation to make sure everything is working fine. Click the Run Once button. This executes the scenario and publishes your pin instantly. It'll take just a moment, and you should receive a confirmation that your pin has been successfully created. If everything went as planned, you just posted to Pinterest using Make.com. How easy was that? If you encounter any snags, don't hesitate to double-check each step to make sure everything is filled out correctly. Remember, this is just a simple automation, and once you get the hang of it, you can create more complex workflows tailored to your needs. So, there you have it. You've learned how to efficiently post to Pinterest using Make.com. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Your support helps us create more content like this, and we'd love to keep sharing helpful tips and tricks with you.